Hi everyone. Today we have here this box. I think I know what it is, but we just let's open it and see actually what is inside. Let's open it then, and then we can say a bit more about. Okay, so let's open, and this is it. So I think I know what it is. I think it's a PS5 controller. So actually it's the first one that I'm ordering it. I did order already quite some time ago, but only now I decided to open it because didn't have so much time lately. Okay, so it's pretty well packed, even though, as you can see, it's very bad. No, the cover, like totally a mess. But as you can see, so once again, saying the mic LED is not working, and here is totally dirty, like in very bad shape here, the outside. But even here it's quite a bit like messed up. So, and if we press here, basically nothing happens in PlayStation button. So I'm not really sure what is the issue. I did pay for this, was I think $22, $21.99, something like that. But yeah, as you can see, it's very bad shape. They are, I think, new, not that expensive compared with PS4 controllers. So first of all, actually, what we will do, I will make a video how to disassemble this one, this kind of controllers. I will investigate it, how to disassemble, and then I will do a full video on it. And then later on, hopefully, I will do another video here about the mic LED. It just say mic LED, no work. So I'm not sure if this is the only issue. So probably we'll need to try it out and see actually if this is the only issue or if there is something more. So for now, this was just the video of the unboxing, and to have a sneak peek for later on, and to see what you can expect in future videos. So for this one, I will have a video for disassemble it, and another video where I try to fix it. And if I do fix it, probably I will need to replace all these covers, because all of this is very messy. Even here the touchpad, it's like very bad, in very bad shape. Maybe everything works fine. Maybe I need just some cleaning. Let's see. But first, let's do videos for disassemble and then move from there. And again, we have one more box to unbox. So let's open it and see what here we have. So I kind of know what it is. I think so. So let's open it and take all of these. Okay, and okay, it's well packed. So it's one and another one. As you can see, nothing more. So let's put here to the side. Let's open each one separately. So one of these is a Nacon controller. I think this is Revolution Unlimited Pro. So, and the issue here is that it says here R1 small crack over here, as you can see, and as well is missing here the covers of the joysticks itself. But if this is the only issue, so actually we might be in good shape. Maybe I can. It seems to be working, so just has a small crack. So let's see what can be done for this one. And the next one, it's, let's see, and this is a Xbox, it's a Razor Wolverine Tournament Edition. So here for this one it says the LB and the left button, right button, no click, but works. So I will need to see what is the issue. For these two controllers, I think I paid maybe $37, but I will put here in the screen how much it costed, and so on. So not sure what could be here the issue, but for now I just did the unboxing for these two. And then I will fix them separately in different videos, so for you guys to see. So probably I will even do here how to disassemble this one and how to disassemble this one, because I never did any of these two. I did a normal Nacon Pro Revolution 2, but not this model. So I might do a disassemble for this one and another disassemble for this one. So for now I just wanted to make a video how to of the unboxing for you to have an idea what's up and what you can expect in future videos. In general I have plenty of stuff to fix, so these two as well, it will be in the upcoming videos. So for now that's it. And sorry for the short video, but this is just to show what you can expect for future videos. Please like and subscribe to get the notifications for future videos, and see you in the next one.